Wake up, Chintu. It's 6 o'clock.
No, Mama, I want too much sleep.
No, beta, you are getting late.
Okay, Mama, where is my tea?
No, it's bad habit. Firstly, you get fresh.
Okay, Mama, who is in the bathroom?
I think your father is in the bathroom.
Oh no, Papa will take too much time.
No problem. You can also use wash basin.
Okay, Mama, please give me my towel.
No, I'm very busy in making breakfast. Do yourself.
Okay. What are you making in breakfast?
I am making poha.
Oh no, I don't like poha.
Okay, tell me, what do you want to eat?
Can you make paratha for me?
Okay, I can make paratha for you.
Oh, Mama, you are so sweet.
I know, beta.
Please give me 5,000 rupees.
5,000 rupees? But why?
I am going to picnic.
Where are you going?
I am going to Dantewada.
When are you going?
I am going on Sunday.
Okay. How many boys and girls are going?
10 girls and 10 boys are going to picnic.
Okay. I will talk to your father, then I will give you the money.
Thanks, Mom.
It's alright.